what we can do here is I can click on the topmost layer, make a new layer above that, and we can call this fog. And for now, I'll just save this image. There we go. And then what I can do over here on the toolbar, let's select the rectangular marquee tool. And then I want you to draw a selection just above the water here. Something that looks like this. Yeah, just like that. And you can adjust the size of the fog later on if you want to. But I'm going to come up here to select and feather the selection. And it's almost the same thing as when we created the smoke for these two towers in the back here. I'm going to feather this selection with a radius of about 30. There we go. And then I'll come up here to feather. Before I do that, make sure that the foreground and background color is set properly. So we'll want to press D and X on the keyboard. Make sure the foreground is white, the background is black. I'll come up here to filter, render, and we'll go ahead and render clouds. Select, deselect. There we go. And then I will lower the opacity of this layer, or what I can do is go through the blending modes here. You can do like an overlay or a screen, which I found I've been using this screen for this effect for a long time. Just to help us, create some type of drama here. And if we're not sure about it, if we're not sure about the opacity setting right now, we can always come back to it later. And if I select multiply, that's going to blacken it up a little bit too much. But if you like that, then you can leave it like that. There we go. I'm not going to go too crazy with it right now, but you get the idea.